72.
We're talking about your new graphics on your motorcycle out there, which I'll show you in a second. Number 756. All right, why is it 756?
Well, here's the last number available.
Oh, it wouldn't.
And basically, what they told me is, if you suck, this is what we're giving you.
I could make a. I don't want to be mean. I can make a size joke.
Well, no, they already wanted me to do 000, and I was going to decorate triple donut.
I was thinking 757.
Oh. 747
Is it 747?
or 777.
Dang.
See, that sounds like
27.
the triple donut.
The big airplane, jumbo jet.
I mean, how was all y'all on the same daggone page and I was way off yonder?
I don't know.
You still thinking about donuts?
I still think it would have been sweet.
I am. I was thinking about like icing and sprinkles on there.
See, we was thinking 000, and each zero was a donut with ice was dripping off the bottom of it.
That's called triple alt.
Triple alt.
I think that would have been
0000000.
Well, let's go look at his sickle.
Look how bright.
They're bright red. I ain't gonna miss you coming.
I mean, look how bright this looks.
See that? You can already see it, folks. 756 right there. Hey, why does it not have big block on it? It's got Zach Chandler. It's supposed to have big block on it. Well, is this it?
That's it.
We got 4 quarters. Well, here we go,
We
fellas.
got a car in a box.
Yeah. Looks like she needs some love.
I'm gonna say we might as well go ahead and order
Inner and outer fender wells, inner fenders.
at least some outer wheel wells. Cause that's junk, garbage, gone.
He needs trunk drop-offs too, don't he?
Trunk drop-offs, and probably we need to go ahead and get new cab bushings or body bushings.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be almost as much as what we did on the Camaro.
Pretty much. But yeah, he needs a outer wheel wells, and I can't believe you don't do sandblasted or anything.
What's he gonna do with it? Did he say? About all this drip rail up here.
Oh God! I didn't see that. I really hadn't even looked at it.
Well,
Nice.
you asked for some metal work. I got you some. This panel already cracked right here.
Yep. So they got to get it in there and lift it up, put some bushings in it, cut some quarters.
Stay tuned. This is gonna be interesting.
Can of worms.
You're gonna tear it apart, ain't you? Or you ain't, but
I'm gonna be riding the chair while they do it, cause my shoulders hurt. Yeah.
that's a convenience thing, because sometimes the shoulder don't hurt, and other times the shoulder hurts. Like he getting ready to go.
Rub it
He
right
get.
here. Rub it.
I ain't touching that thing.
Look,
No,
no,
if that ball.
trust
You
me.
got neat.
Look,
You
it's
got
like-
screws hanging out and
like
stuff.
Braille. Rub across. What did it say?
Oh,
I'm
God.
awesome. That's what it said.
No, that's nasty. I can feel the screws in that
I don't know
thing.
if that screws are wrinkled skin.
Now, these little thingies, go around, push them. 3 on each side. These will be little nice fancy quick release pins. Those are what Travis was talking about we're waiting on.
Whole splitter comes off.
Bam. So now we can go do all this off-camera stuff.
Tail of the dragon.
Oh yeah.
look what we got here. We got the rack back from the manufacturer. Actually got a new one. It's in. Problem fixed on the rack. Problems fixed. How about your speedo and your tack?
Tack's fixed. I gotta figure out the speedo though. It's still
You gotta reset it. Do the
yeah, I did it. It's reading about double, so I gotta look into it a little more. But tack works. Everything else works.
It's complicated.
It's only a 65 caddy Cadil. I mean, what are you doing with all that spaghetti in there?
Your son put all this spaghetti in here. I'm just...
You already got the seats wired up and the power windows wired up and the power locks wired up and the...
Windows, and there's vacuum canisters in that door, and Travis wants to do that.
Oh, okay.
Since it's, some of that stuff in that door is vacuum actuated.
That's what they had to do on the olds.
Under the hood's done, except for a few plugs.
How about from the back forward?
From the back forward.
So it's just tidying all that back up together in here, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Let's go in here and see what old Nate Dog's doing. Nate Dog!
What are you doing?
Filming you.
Why?
Oh, just checking on you. See what you got done here. Working on the rear seat.
Yeah, I gotta make sure I know where it bolts in there.
Got the carpet for the Scout. Got the... I like the way you foamed them panels. Oh, soft. Finished up the jute. Got the door panels done, at least one. Other one done.
Kick panels are wrapped.
Kick panels are wrapped. We didn't see that, folks, but let's look at there. See what happens when I stay out of the shop for a day and a half, 2 days? Stuff gets done. I wonder, that's the kind of, I see.
I'm gonna use that to stay out of the shop.
I see y'all later. I got to go back home.
Why, is other stuff getting done too?
Oh, I don't know. You got your little white car back here.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Let's check out this 1977 MGB. Yeah, that's kind of a rare car for us, but check out what's under the hood. 347 crate motor. I'm pretty sure it's the 347. Probably 2,300 pounds, all Ford suspension underneath it. We want to put a Holley Sniper on it with in-tank fuel injection pump. Can't wait to drive this one. This little guy's gonna scream. Hola. Pontiac?
Yeah. Never have to paint. Got the water pump on first. Then I'll paint it. Yes.
You gonna paint it?
I ain't painting.
You were in here earlier.
I was painting black though. On some seat frames. That's not important. You don't see those. You see this.
Old Pontiac blue.
Yeah.
MG. Morris Garage.
Morse?
Garages.
Morse Brothers. Morse Garage. What's the B?
The B is just the model. They made
Morse
an MGA
Garage.
and then MGB. Made an MGTA, an MGTB. Tuberculosis.
So that 60 MGA was the same company that we did a year or two ago that we painted.
Yeah, this is an MGB.
So it might be like a Gen 1, Gen 2. Because that 60, well, this is a 77. I wonder what time when they went to MGB.
Probably. It says predecessor is MGA
Yep.
and successor is a MGA.
Let's check in on Nate Dogg to see what he's done. Absolutely nothing. He's done absolutely nothing since this morning. I mean, this looks just... Oh, well, he's covered a wheel well. I mean, good gosh. It's just a 1973 Scout wheel well. But that looks pretty good. Oh, you listening to me over here? Oh, I was talking to my fans on the TV show, Shop Walk. So, looks like you're working on the other fender well, huh?
Yep,
Did I approve that?
I think so. If I can carry on.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to know about my mustache?
Oh, do you want them to know about your mustache?
Yeah.
Let's take a closer look.
It's a French mustache. You know how I know it's French?
How?
Well, I didn't know this until I started using the razor last night. And my wife had ordered it off Amazon. So
The razor?
well, it's like a shaver, electric shaver.
Okay.
So every time I got ready to shave that off, it would cut off. It wouldn't let me shave that off.
You for real?
Yeah. So I looked at where it was made, and it said it was made in French.
France.
France. French. France. Yeah. So it gave me a French mustache.
You gonna let it get thicker?
No, I'm gonna go home and shave it off tonight.
Oh, come on.
No.
I got a question for y'all. Have y'all seen Nate Dogg's mustache this morning?
The mustache?
The mustache, that's good. He looks like a little Frenchy wee wee.
That's what Carter said. He looked like a Pink Panther dude.
I got a question for you.
What's that?
Have you seen Nate Dogg today?
I have.
And what do you think about his mustache?
I think it's pretty hilarious.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny because when I walked in there, I was like, there's not really much of a mustache, you know, it's so short. What are you doing? He's like, drawing a stash, man.
You think he did it for attention?
I think he might have.
Tyler's got the perfect word for it.
What?
The molestache. But I just want to know what you thought about his stash.
Well, I think he's also trying to be like somebody.
Who?
Well, you know, he's into this ninja school.
Ninja. Chuck?
I mean, Diamond Dave, does he not have a
Oh,
mustache?
does Diamond Dave have a mustache?
Pretty sure he does.
Chuck Norris has got one too.
Yeah, see, I think he's trying to, you know,
Huh.
that's what I think's happening.
He's creating a new image so he can open his school back up.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what you doing with a little speed racer?
Going racing.
What we do to this thing?
Put a Holley Sniper on it.
Sniper, what kind of motors it got in?
347 Ford stroker.
How many horsepower is that?
415.
How much does this little thing weigh?
About 2,200.
Is it fast?
It's super fast.
Yeah, I'd let that police officer go too. It is stupid fast.
Look, you want to see? Well, I got to hook the. Give me 1 second. Let me hook the battery back up, and I'll give you something cool to show on your.
All right, let's look at it.
On your little TV show. There.
On my little TV show.
We'll stick that wire in right there. Come over here and stick this wire on. Watch, I'm gonna do this. It's gonna go pop.
Pop the breaker on her.
Alright, this is gonna blow your mind. 1965 right here. Watch this bent window.
Oh, then that's cool. I want them in my truck.
You believe that from 1965? You just reach over here, because you know in 1965 we're too lazy to reach up here and turn the handle and push the window out. So for the Kennedy edition, we got this.
Well, you also got the Cadille. It's a Cadillac Cadille.
It's a Cadille Sedandy, right, Carter? Yeah. A Cadille Sedandy. The emblem is on the back of the car.
Yeah, it says it right on it.
It says it right on it. It's a Cadille Sedandy.
On the front it says Cadille. On the side it says Sedandy.
That's the special
Cadille Sedandy.
Cadille Sedandy.
JFK edition.
Cadille Sedandy.
I don't know if I'd want that car.
Cadille Sedandy.
Well, if you can see up there, we got the 389 installed back in the Star Chief. And what else you done, Carter?
Putting the pressure cylinder, oil pressure cylinder in. We got the drive shaft in. Got the fill for the transmission in, starter in. I think everything else is going to be up top.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.